Menteri rang ba kejela ulapan paru ya kejing artatien baka Meghalaya kan yoban penlong ya kan National Games sagasnam arajar arpuar. Bada do menta kampat long ke basai kirar. Bada ulong baka kejela Goa, Uttarakhand, bak Chhattisgarh, kilong kam hashwa ya ke Meghalaya. Ulong lada ke Indian Olympic Association kayat da ke jogurukom. Ka Meghalaya kan yoban penlong ya kan National Games hadian prasnem.
But sadly, this is not in our hands completely, and the Indian Olympic Association will decide on whether we can host it or not. But in the way things are moving, the chances look very, very bleak because we have Goa and Chhattisgarh and Uttarakhand who are there before us, and there's a gap of 2 years for every games that takes place, which means even if our turn comes, in all likelihood, if they follow the same sequence, then it will be after 8 years. So therefore, will it be possible for us to jump the queue? That's something that I can't say. It all depends on IOA. But Goa will host it this year, and then the next state, I'm not sure about who's next, but it's either Chhattisgarh or Uttarakhand, one of them. And so therefore, these challenges are there. We may be able to adjust few years, but whether we can host it in 2022 seems to be a very, very difficult proposition at this point in time. But having said that, sir, the important aspect is that we are not looking at IOA only, sir. We are going ahead with our work. We are going ahead with our construction. We have already sanctioned and given the work order for the PS Sangma Integrated Stadium, work for which has started. We will be finishing the football stadium within this next financial year, which is before March 2022. And we will be finishing the indoor stadium by September 2022. So therefore, our infrastructure, when it comes to Tura, will be complete by that time. Similarly, for Shillong, for the JN Stadium also, 150 crores projects has been sanctioned. The work order and the tendering process will start very shortly. For these projects also, we are very confident that within the next financial year, 2022, we will be able to complete the infrastructure work in that area also. And in Jayantee Hills in Visakhapatnam, we have also put up an integrated stadium there with a football stadium. That project also, we are very confident that by 2022 mid, we should be able to complete that project also. So we are not waiting. We are going ahead with our infrastructural work. And as we go along, we will work towards creating other programs. So if we cannot host the Indian Olympic Association's national games, we are talking to other sports bodies to be able to host other programs. I spoke to the Honorable Sports Minister, Government of India, and he proposed, why don't we host the Northeast Youth Festival in 2022 in Meghalaya. So we are very happy for that, and they have almost given us a verbal approval for that. Similarly, the Table Tennis Association president called me about a month and a half back, and he asked me, would Meghalaya be happy to host the 2022 Table Tennis All India Championship in Meghalaya to coincide with the 50-year celebration? And I told him, absolutely, we would be. So the terms and conditions are being worked out. So we may be able to host the table tennis, All India Table Tennis competition in 2022 in state of Meghalaya. So similarly, other programs like having the Northeast Olympics program or having the football tournaments or football leagues out here, we will work towards making sure that 2022 we are able to do multiple activities to really celebrate our 50 years and golden jubilee of our state.